I'm here with the Launch Smart Safe Fuel Injector Cleaner and Tester. And this is an excellent piece of equipment that we always bring to the track here at Go Gear Racing. Gone are the days of carburetors, and now all our cars are fuel injected, and even some of the newer ones are direct fuel injected. And this machine has the capability to test and clean both fuel injectors, electronic and direct injectors. So I'm going to go through some of the features and equipment. We always use this. It's very simple to use. All you need is a power supply. You fill it up with a little bit of fuel. Very simple. They have these plugs here that you can use to plug into any injectors. So we've set these ones up. Very simple. It's a standard plug. You can plug into the injectors. Very easy to do. And it has a fuel source. Then next, what you can do is you can select on here what type of test or clean you want to do. So in this test, we can do an injection test, very simple, and we'll go to 15 seconds and we can run the test right here. So what this test is doing is it's just making sure that the flow is okay on the injectors and testing the injector. So what it'll do first is it'll set the working pressure. So that's what it did the first time. It built up all the pressure that it was required, and you can set the pressure that's needed. And then right now it's doing a flow test. So it'll turn the injectors on, and now we can compare these two injectors to see if they're reading the same amount. So right here we can set the time. Everything's fully adjustable on these, and it's releasing the pressure. So now that we look at these, we can take a look at these and see that these two fuel injectors are reading very similarly, but there is a little bit of a difference. So here we can say the system's complete. So we can exit out of there, and we can see actually that the fuel injector that we have on the left actually outputs slightly more fuel than the injector on the right. So this is a very good piece of equipment. Obviously, all of our cars, we have a very sophisticated tune, and we control the fuel map and everything. But we have to make sure all the electronic components only work as good as their physical counterparts. So we got to make sure that the injectors are reading the correct flow value that they're rated for, and if it has an issue where we need to, maybe the injector's clogged or not spraying in the right pattern, we can diagnose that with this tool and then make a change and change the injector, or even with this, it has an ultrasonic bay. So what you can do, you can take your injector and put it in here, and with the ultrasonic fluid, you can actually clean it out and then retest it. So it provides a great balance of, you can find the problem, then you know what the problem is, fix the problem, retest it, you'll know it's good, throw it back in the car, and then you'll be able to race with no problems. So this is a tool we always bring to the track. Excellent piece of equipment. Thank you to Launch for this wonderful tool, and it does everything that we need it to do. So.